Welcome. In front of me is a CROSSCALL Action-X3, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. So when you boot it up, you'll be presented with the welcome screen where you get to choose the language. So select your desired language. I'm gonna stick with English, and let's tap on let's go. Then you get a message that there is no SIM card. Now you can put it in or leave it not in there. It doesn't really matter. Just skip it. Then welcome to your Action-X3. I'm just gonna set it up as new. You can copy data from a previous device if you have some kind of like backup. Give it a moment, it's gonna start looking for updates. And right now I have the verification account, but normally you would see a screen where you can optionally log into Google or not. I have actually locked the device, so let me actually put in my email address and the password. Okay. So I'm gonna keep it without it. So like I said, you'd be basically presented with this screen and you wouldn't need to verify it, and you can skip it right here when you press on it by mistake. Let's do that again. So you can skip it, proceed, put in your email address if you want to use Google, and if you don't have it, you can always tap on create account. Now I'm gonna skip it for now, and once more skip. Then you get to put in the name of the device, or yours, not really your phone, to personalize some apps. It doesn't really matter, you can keep that even blank. Then protect your phone. You can set up some kind of protection of your device, so you have pattern, parent, password, or none. I'm gonna, as an example, set pattern. And then you get to require pattern at start the device, so when you boot the device back up, it will require to put in the pattern. It will basically require at that time twice, because when it's booting up and then to unlock it, you will have to put it the second time. So I'm just gonna say no thanks, and then put in the pattern. Tap on continue, put it in again, the same one, and confirm. Some Google services like location and other stuff, you can disable them, and they're basically all can be enabled later on in the system as you need them anyway. Anything else, all set. And we're basically now in the home screen with the device fully set up. So that is how you would go to the setup process of this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.